Hey, Rainbow here, and look at these gloves that I got. I'm going to do a full review of these. I want to wear them today. Might even rain today. Anyway, FOGY Garage, motorcycle gear. They sent these to me for free, but that doesn't mean I'm going to give them a good review. I'm going to be completely and totally honest. As far as the packaging is pretty cool. And even the gloves come then in a separate bag, and we'll take them out and take a peek. All right, these gloves are pretty cool look, and these are the ones that I chose. They wanted me initially to do like the fingerless, but I'm about protection. I'm not into the fingerless gloves. Anyway, these are supposed to be lambskin. They have some hard protection on the knuckles. They have some more stuff added in here. They are very soft. I did put them on. They feel well. I wear normally an extra large. I thought these were going to be a little snug, but actually they fit really well. Let's put them on and take them for a ride. By FOGY, it can't be FOGY, right there, FOGY Garage. I'm going to call it FOGY Garage. All right, from what I understand, these are sheepskin gloves right here. They are CE certified, and they're really comfortable. I tell you that, I really like the gloves. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about these gloves that they are a little warm for the summer, okay? Let's get these on here. They're a little bit warm for the summer. Actually, I'm going to tighten them up a little bit more. But they are super comfortable. I wore them down here. It's about a half-hour trip down here, and they felt pretty good and comfortable. I think that these look really good. I think they're gorgeous looking gloves. You can see what they look like there. They have the protection up top here. And now FOGY Garage sent these to me for free, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. So, but I am free to give whatever type of review that I want. I'm going to tell you that they are super comfortable and very soft. I definitely like them. And that's about as far as it goes. Now, one of the things that I've noticed, and let's get moving here, is that you may have to roughen up the palms a little bit because they're a little slippery. They're so nice and soft that they're actually a little bit slippery. Let me get this closed down so I sound like I'm Darth Vader. There we go. But I like the way they feel. And I like the way they look. They're very comfortable, very stylish. In my opinion, I think they're a little on the high end. I think in the United States, these are somewhere around $180. Again, I didn't pay anything for these, but I'm not obligated to, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not obligated to kiss anybody's ass, all right? So I do like the gloves, very comfortable. Again, in the heat, when it's really hot, they're just not breathable, but they have a great finish on them, and I think that they're good gloves. Now, that's really all I gotta say. Now, if you are purchasing gloves for the purpose of protection, I think for the price that there are a lot more gloves out there that offer you more protection, that have much better rating as far as that's concerned with these gloves. But if you just want gloves just to wear to make them look, so that they look good and they're stylish and it offers you some level of protection, then these are certainly awesome gloves to buy. Now, for anyone who's left, who's still around, I'm going to give these away. So if, and I'm sorry for everybody overseas, I'm going to apologize now. I've just had some issues with shipping stuff overseas, sending stuff to my cousin in Italy overseas. I've just had some issues with that. So if you are in the United States and you are a subscriber and you comment on this video, I would absolutely love to send you these gloves. They're going to be worn for basically one day by me, probably an hour and a half worth of wear time on them, but I'm going to give these away. These are XLs. Anyway, this is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And again, if you're a subscriber and you comment below, I'll be more than happy to ship these out to you if you live in the United States. But here's one more thing. You have to respond, okay? Once I do another video where I pick you, you have to see that video. So it's best if you ring the bell. I would certainly appreciate it, because there's nothing worse than me trying to give stuff away and I have no way to contact anyone. So please pay attention. I'm going to announce the winner in another video, so just keep watching the videos. I announce you, let me know, and that's it. All right, it's going to get a little busy here on 95, so this is Rainbow. Have a great day.